It is saffron, white, and green. Their units is like that, okay? Let's make. We need stick, A4 size paper, pencil, color pencil, and scale, color, and a glue. Yeah? Let's make our channel. Let's make the inner flag. Now, you can also subscribe our channel, okay? Subscribe our channel, okay? And smash that like. Yeah, like. Now, let's go to down. Yahoo! To show you the Indian flag made by Khadi, fabric called Khadi. But today we are going to use the paper. Now use the Khadi. Yeah. And make it by India. We say already that fold the paper and make the rectangle shape. We need to make 3 colors. The tricolors, that means 3. I am going to make 3 equal horizontal lines by using scale. And make here. Make it sure it's very correct. I did it! Yahoo! I did it! The center of the flag I have Ashoka Chakra. This is a navy blue color. Ashoka Chakra have 24 equal spokes. I'm going to draw the lines. Spokes. Oh, how will you look? I'm going to color saffron. Put a color inside. This color is very The color saffron stands for sacrifice. The green stands for confidence and progress. And the white stands for purity, peace, and honesty. And now I am going to stick with a glue. I'm not going to stick. I'm using another technique. I'm not sticking. My technique is put the sticks into this here. Now I'm going to fold it. Do cat like this, okay, and cat like this one. Center, yeah, you know. Cat like this. We make our